morning, Cindy with Food Forward, and I have a guest cook with me this morning, Sarah Seidelmann.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm a local author and sort of spiritual healer and artist, and I got here at Food Forward because I have a friend, Aparna Katre, who's part of this sort of the team that started this, or has kept it carried on anyway. So I'm excited to cook, and the food is so delicious because we've got a subscription and it's fantastic.
Oh, terrific. So you get the kit yourself.
We do. Oh my gosh, Mondays are so good now, Cindy, because we have dinner and I don't have to decide what it is. And it's healthy. And it's yummy.
Yes. Yeah, terrific. Well, so this week we're going to make a stir fry. And we have in your kit, you're going to have some seasonal vegetables, a little bag of quinoa because you're going to put your stir fry over quinoa. And then we have a homemade sauce to go over the stir fry. And this sauce is made with coconut aminos. And it's gluten and vegan free. This whole meal is vegan and gluten free. So, yay.
And ginger and garlic and sesame seeds. Like it smelled so good when you were pouring it in the jar.
Yeah, yeah. So that's that.
Awesome.
So the first thing we're going to do, I already put a little bit of oil into this pan for the vegetables. And then I think you have your water.
I do. I'm doing 1 cup of water to 1/2 cup of quinoa. So it's like a 2-to-1 ratio. So I'm putting that in my little pan here.
So we want to let the water get boiling before we add our quinoa. We are going to not season our vegetables because there's plenty of sodium, I think, in the sauce.
Okay.
So wait to add anything until you taste it and see if it's to your liking. Yeah.
Sounds good.
So you can just dump those right in there.
Okay.
I feel like a professional now. Sizzling and crackling and popping.
Okay.
Water's boiling. Quinoa's going to go. How long are we letting this quinoa go? For 8 minutes?
8 to 10, it said?
Yep.
Okay.
You know what? I'm going to get a little bit of water. We're going to add just a smidge of water to the vegetables to kind of get them soft. Yeah, moisten them and soften them up. Put a dab in there.
Holy smokers.
It's almost like steaming the vegetables. So
If you want to be inspired to try some quinoa, go Google a photo of the fields because it's really so
in
beautiful.
Peru.
In Peru.
Is that where quinoa originates from?
I think so.
Okay, I did not know that.
Yep. The Quechua nation of people, I believe, were the ones to start cultivating it. And so it's like it's one of their major staple foods, and it's a full protein, the complete protein. I don't know how to explain all the amino acids or anything, but that's my
complete.
It's complete. Yeah. How do you know when it's done?
Well, I like my vegetables to at least be fork tender, so that's what we're trying to do here by adding a little water in there and kind of almost steaming them.
It hasn't exactly bloomed. Usually it kind of blooms out when it's done.
Okay.
Or puffs out. Oh, that was a moment of steam.
That was a moment of steam.
Ready?
Oh, wow.
Ooh, that looks so good. This homemade kind of stir-fry sauce.
Yes, it
with
is.
ginger and garlic and sesames, and that comes already made in your kit. How fabulous is that? Like no preservatives, no yucky stuff in it.
No, it's totally homemade.
Every week after I come back from here from chopping vegetables, I almost can't wait to start making my kit at lunchtime. Like I can't wait till dinner because it's so yummy. We use like the leftovers often. We'll like refresh it into something like totally different. Like a couple days later, we added salsa to. What was it? Oh, the mac and cheese. We added salsa to our mac and cheese a couple days later, and it was so good. And so when it's done, it gets it kind of expands. It looks like a little donut ring with a little baby hole, there's no hole in the middle.
Look at that. It's beautiful, Sarah.
I think that was a good idea you had to just
to present it that way.
Yeah, and I think the sauce is just going to soak through. I'm going to put a little extra sauce on just because.
Yeah. Time to take the test.
Are you serious?
The taste test.
Do we get to have this, Cindy?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
man.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well done. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. Wow.
Yummy.
And packed with aminos, those magical amino acids. Are we allowed to have a second bite?
Absolutely. This is your meal, Sarah. Thanks for cooking with me. That was fun.
Thank you for inviting me. This was so fun.
And that is your food forward meal. Then we do toodles.
Toodles.